Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Fortnite is available on HUAWEI Nova Y91. And to do this we'll need to open our app gallery. Here in the top search, locate Epic Game Store launcher. Here it is, click on the install. When it's ready, click on the open. And inside there's Fortnite. If we click on it, we can install the game, which confirms that this device does support it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.